Welcome again to the Jetmark stand at PrintPack. We introduced the Verve last year, and now we've got two new versions of it. This is the 8-head model that really rockets along up to 50 squares an hour. And there's also a 5-head, which has got the CMYK plus white for more intricate jobs. Great value machines. These come in at around 88 to about 130,000. There's also an option of a roll-to-roll with this model. Welcome back to the Jetmark stand at PacPrint and the introduction of the Polo Turbo. This is the new and updated model. Look, it's printing really high quality even at about 100 squares an hour. Ideal for large outdoor banners. It's 3.2 meter wide. It really rockets along. For any signage company who wants to produce high quality outdoor banner, this is a machine you really need to look at. One of the big features is the running costs. We've kept those really low with inks as low as about 140, 150 a litre. And this year, Jetmark are really proud to introduce the new ColorJet. It's a brand new Ecosolvent printer. Some pretty outstanding features. It's printing up to 1800 wide. It's got a large drying plate which allows prints to be dried extra fast, so you can get on with the job of mounting or installing. It gives really photo quality finished prints, all at a quite fast printing speed of up to about 34 squares an hour. These printers are ideal for every sign shop, coming in at under $24,000. Most of you have probably heard about the Bubble-Free Pro, our signage mounting table. This is the little brother to the Pro. It's called the Mouse. It takes a 24 by 12 sheet and does all the same things that the Pro does, but just in a smaller footprint. The great advantage of this table is it can actually be split into two sections. So getting it into a tricky location is made simple, and if you don't have much space in your office or warehouse, then this is a great option. It's also an excellent price. There's nothing really quite like it in the market. This table here with full LED lighting sells for $12,500 as opposed to the similar table of the Pro down the end there, which is about $22,000. So there's a big price differential, and this really does open up the market for a lot of people who might not have thought of that they were capable of purchasing one of these tables before. This is our popular Bubble-Free Pro, the mounting laminating table that really takes a lot of headaches out of mounting self-adhesive vinyl onto boards. These tables can be configured into just about any size, from about 1.5 meters wide up to 2 meters wide and about 5 meters long. This is kind of a standard sort of a table, 1.65 by 4 meters. One of the great things about it is it also makes a great work surface with the LED lighting, so you can stand there, see what you're working with, and if you've got anything that you want to show through. It's also down on the far end, it's got a keen cutter right along the end that can cut through just about anything. So once you've mounted your boards, you can just slip it down the end there and cut right through. This is one of our most popular products. If you're a sign shop and you're not running one of these tables yet, you really should talk to us. This year too, we're introducing the new J-Way True Edge cutting table. It's ideal for finishing all sorts of panels and boards. It can cut the most intricate shapes, as you can see in that little T-Rex there. for sign work, any panel work, super fast, keeps your workflow going. Excellent if you've got a flatbed and you just want to get your workflow going from your flatbed through to being cut quickly out and being packed and going. These machines come in 3 different sizes depending on your needs, with price ranging from about 90 to 110k. If you've got a need for a super fast finishing table, whether it's for intricate work or just standard sign cutting, then this is an option you really should consider.